Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashley, in case some of you guys didn't know that. If you didn't know that, that's probably because you are new to my channel. If you are new, please make sure you hit the subscribe button. It is a red button that says subscribe. Make sure you hit the subscribe button so that way you can be notified whenever this pretty face uploads a video. So today's video is just going to be on this hair that I am wearing right now. This is a wig that I made. This hair is from AliExpress. It's called Upretty hair on AliExpress, and I'm so thankful I found this young lady on Instagram, which I used to go to school with her, and she was saying, you know, how she got her hair so affordable. And then I DM'd her and I asked her about the hair, and I was like, sis, what's tea? And she told me about the hair and everything, and I'm so thankful for people like her that's not stuck up, you know what I'm saying? Like, she's a real one for, you know, passing down the tea. Anyways, this hair is very affordable, like, and it's good quality hair. Like, girl, I'm not even gonna lie, it sheds a lot. Just, you know, just saying, curly hair sheds very, like, if you have curly hair, you know curly hair sheds. That's probably the only bad thing that I don't like about it, that it sheds a lot. But other than that, this hair is affordable. It's pretty, just like the brand is called Upretty hair. It makes you so cute, so pretty, and I actually like this hair. So the bundles that I ordered was a frontal. It's a 12-inch frontal, and then it was $214, and then a 16, and it was like $68. So it's so affordable. I didn't want to get long bundles because it is hot in Florida, and don't nobody got time for that. So that's why I had ordered these short bundles and make it into this little bob that is so cute. I literally get so many compliments on it, and I appreciate you guys for that. But yeah, that's the hair, sis. I really like this hair. It's so soft, manageable. Other than the shedding, it's great quality hair. I want to try their body wave and their straight hair too. This is like the curly, kinky curly. I think this is kinky curly. This hair is bomb.com. It's so soft, like, girl. And I made it into a wig, like I said before. I made it into a wig, and I could just take it off and put it back on whenever I want to. That's the best part about a wig. Like, you could just put that wig on when you want to and take it off when you want to. I love wigs just because of that. So yeah, you guys, I'm really in love with my hair, and Upretty hair is great. You guys should give it a try if you're looking for affordable hair that's good quality, that's manageable, that's well, kind of sheds a lot. So other than the shedding, it's great quality hair. Like, you should definitely get it. That's all I have for today on this hair. I will make sure that I will leave all the information on Upretty hair and the link to this exact hair in the description box. And I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also comment down below, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye guys.